Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a valve cover gasket. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket set, a torque wrench, and your new valve cover gasket. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before starting any work to avoid burns. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery to prevent any electrical issues during the repair. This simple step ensures a safe working environment. Next, we will begin the disassembly process. Carefully remove the engine cover, then gently disconnect any wiring harnesses or vacuum hoses that are attached to the valve cover. Take your time and label them if needed. Proceed to unplug and remove the ignition coils, keeping track of which cylinder each one came from. Finally, use your socket wrench to loosen and remove all the bolts holding the valve cover in place. With the valve cover removed, it is time for the crucial cleaning and gasket replacement. Carefully lift off the old valve cover and remove the old, hardened gasket from its groove. Now, meticulously clean both mating surfaces on the cylinder head and the valve cover itself. Use a plastic scraper to remove any old sealant or debris. Finally, install your brand new gasket into the valve cover's groove, ensuring it sits perfectly flush. Now let's reassemble everything. Carefully position the valve cover back onto the cylinder head, making sure all the bolt holes align perfectly. Using your torque wrench, tighten the valve cover bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque, following a crisscross pattern for even pressure. Reconnect all wiring harnesses, vacuum hoses, and finally, the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and carefully inspect for any oil leaks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.